美国众议院的中国特别委员会主席盖拉格，伊的立场对咱台湾是真友善。即马有传出，伫个2月21，伊就会带团来台湾访问，也会甲咱的总统当选人赖清德，也阁有立法院长韩国瑜见面。外界讲，伊可能就是咱立法院新的会期第一个接待的外国来宾。
大选了后，美国议员小刷来访，平面媒体报道。众议院中国特别委员会主席盖拉格要伫2月带团访台，和总统当选人赖清德、立法院院长韩国瑜见面，是立法院新会期头一团来拜访的外国来宾。
I think, like when it comes to Taiwan, there's just something fundamentally different in my mind about helping a existing and flourishing democracy, one of the freest societies in the world, defend itself from authoritarian aggression. And I don't think that's fundamentally an aggressive strategy.
盖拉克13出席哈佛大学论坛，讲爱支持台湾的自我防卫，呼吁美国政府爱赶紧交付对台的军售。39岁盖拉克是抗中的鹰派，嘛是共和党的明日支持。捌伫国会几两摆推动关于台湾的几项政策。2023年嘛捌暗访台湾，对台湾真好。不过伊昨日宣布袂阁竞选连任。
It's funny, like the reality is this decision was made between my wife and I a while ago, I think. But the closer I got to it, the harder, like it became asymptotic. It was like harder to actually get to the line because you do start to fear like, oh man, I have this position and what will life be like? And
盖拉克下令委员会主席，敢会影响美国国会对台湾的支持？驻美代表余大雷表示讲，美国国会长久以来对台湾的支持是普遍性的。下党派相信新国会无论是连任还是新国会议员进入国会，拢会继续支持台湾。记者综合报道。